JJLEE squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. Don't even worry, I already know y'all gonna say something. But I'm just back with another video. Just be happy with that. So today, man, we're gonna be installing 3-inch spacers on Cerberus. Y'all can see I got 1.5 spacers in the front on these wheels. For the back, I got 2-inch. Cause you see how much I got cut anyway. It's pretty much good clearance. Got 2-inch right here in the back. But if y'all look up Thick Scat on Instagram, he also has the line kit. Look, he got a set car, but he's on bags, but he has 3-inch in the back, and I think he said he got 1-inch in the front. But yeah, y'all can take a step back. I mean, I like the fitment. Hopefully it don't rub, because you know I got on this extra piece right here that can come off if I needed to. But like I said, I don't mind it being like under it a little bit, but I kind of want to push the wheel out more so it can have like a more complete, kind of cool, like a better looking rear. Front is good. I kind of like how it is. It's kind of flush with the fender. But that's what we are doing today. So stay tuned. I've already got the stuff ready. I'm gonna jack up one side of the car, get done. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and film this for y'all so y'all can see that I'm not just laying around and chilling. So I want to get up, pick up the camera, and just get ready. But this is y'all, this is Cerberus, y'all, man. I don't know if I showed y'all, but these are new headlights. I'll talk about that later. But yeah, that's how Cerberus is looking. So stay tuned on what we got going on. Let me show y'all these spacers. I mean, they said for the Charger, so we're gonna see if they fit. So stay tuned. Sure. See, look at them thick babies. Look at these thick babies, bro. Come on now, clean. So you gonna put these on, see what they do, bro, and see how much the wheel poke out, and see if I'm a rub or not. If I do, I just sell them or return them, bro. That's just a little idea that I saw. I know I'm not on bags like Thick Scan and stuff like that, but we're gonna see if it works out pretty good. Let's see, I mean, he said in his video too, and that makes sense, like, why spend $3 to $5K on custom offset wheels? Yes, they would look sick, but I could put that money into, one, paying this car off. Like I said, I only got 13K left on this baby. I got it for 42K 4 years ago, bro, and it's only at 35K miles on the car. So that's all, like, I could put the wheel money into paying the car off, have no car payment for a couple of months, save up, and you know what I'm saying, then maybe get a custom offset wheel or something like that. But you know, I'm like, sometimes you just gotta use your money correctly, and at this time, it's not in the cars, bro. Why waste money on spending on custom offset wheels? Yes, it will look sick. Yeah, it's a cool, like, deep dash, something like that. But think smart, be smart. That's it. So, all right, stay tuned. Let's see what these babies can do. And yeah, stay tuned. Look at this baby, bro. Come on. I'm gonna look back over there too. See? But stay tuned. All right. JJLEE squad, we back. Got the 3-inch big boy on this bitch, bro. Gonna go ahead and torque it down. Here's the old spacer. Like I said, let's put them next to each other. So, hey, this don't give me the fitment I want. I don't know what will. But like I said, I can remove this if it comes down to it, to give it more room for the wheel, the free float, if that. But I just wanted to show y'all, I do got a spacer on, it does fit. So we're gonna put the wheel on next after I torque each one down in the starting pattern to make sure we Gucci. We don't need no issues, no problems. So here we go. JJLEE squad, what's up? Your boy's back. Got the 3-inch spacer on, 2-inch spacers off, and I gotta say, this is exactly what the car needed to pop that wheel out more, make it look more aggressive, make the stance look better, bro. That 3-inch spacer, it did it. I will most likely have to remove that little piece I was talking about in the beginning at the top, because looking at it, but hey, chef's kiss. Big shout out to Thick Scat. Let me go ahead and turn this camera around. It's the same as the other side. I won't film the other side. I just want to do this one side, get this video recorded for y'all so I can focus on the other side real quick. But like I said, bro, this is, let me turn the camera around. Look, y'all seen the before and front. I'm gonna put a picture behind right here going before, and now look at the after, bro. Look how the wheel's sitting there. Like I said, this piece just comes off at 3M, so I probably will remove that because I can make this baby go up just in case, you know. But that's FITMENT, bro, right there. Oh my God. That's it. That's exactly what I was missing. Like I said, y'all seen the before, y'all seen the after. Looking down, look at that. Scoot back. Look at that. That's perfect, bro. Oh my God. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna finish torquing this down, make sure we're safe. Like I said, bro, it's a fast car, it's cammed, it's built, but it's like, it's a, I'll say, show car slash race car. Like, man, like, it looks good, and I can go fast when they're wrong type shit, if that makes sense. But here y'all go, man. Remember to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, follow your boy on Instagram. Also follow your boy on TikTok, JJLEE Productions 2 is the same, pretty much on all other platforms. So like I said, follow your boy, hit your boy up, man. Like, hey, mod complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this other wheel. Remember, y'all, stay blessed. Make sure to grab y'all some Cerberus 392 merch. Link is in the bio. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good day.